today we're unboxing a chair. Okay, this chair, oh my gosh, this chair is going to be so massive. All right, so obviously it comes in a carrying bag with the handle, so you can carry it wherever you're going. And it has a little drawstring toggle. Open it up. It's like a camping chair on steroids. This sits right inside here so that the chair is sturdy and not all wobbly. We have a cup holder on this side of the chair. You have this little organizer bag so that you can put different little things in it. So there's a pouch here. You could like put your phone in there. This right here has a zipper. So it has all these extra little compartments so that you can just like put your stuff in there. You can take this to like ball games or hunting or camping. The arms have a padding for cushion that's also Velcro, so you can take it off to wash it if you need to. Same for this side. This is the chair. It looks like it's made of really good quality. It has some padding in there, not a ton, but a little bit. Now, there is quite a bit of padding on the pillow area for the back. This material is really thick, and it feels like it's made of really good quality.